the fingers alternate pushing a lever back and forth, and what the lever does is it moves this wrecking ball back and forth to two different games. And on the left side you have this little barrel game. I've got to do a little bit of tune-up on it, and the ball comes over and knocks over the barrels, and then when the ball goes to the other side, I've got a reset mechanism here. So I've got a little bit of adjustment to do on this, but it's working satisfactorily, and I think it's viable. And then on this side, the ball comes over and strikes a target, and the target in turn will, if it's struck properly, will ring this bell, which is harvested out of an old Bell telephone. You might remember that tone if you're of a certain age. I wanted to make it to where the ball does not always hit the target, so it's a little bit of a game. You have to kind of time it when you turn the crank here to get this to work. So you don't get points every single time, only when you time it correctly. So there's still quite a lot left to do. I've got to paint all the features. I'm going to be replacing a lot of the wood components with either corian or plexiglass or metal of some type. See you next time.